Why are you here? I just want to explain everything.
Leo, let him speak his lies.
I'm sorry. I don't know how could I pass this to you. I hope you could forgive me. I don't know why this has to happen. I don't know how I'm going to live without you. I don't know how will I pay for our company's liabilities. Why do you have to leave me behind? How am I going to live without you?
Bye, Dad.
Bye, Rose. I will wait. Take care of you.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. I wasn't looking.
It's okay. Just be careful next time.
Just be happy to hear your things. By the way, I'm Mateo. So, where am I able to find you?
I'm at the library most of the time.
So, you were studying really hard?
Yes, I have. I'm the only daughter and I'm excited to own my company.
I'm still a student.
That's nice. Thank you for helping me carry my things. Hope to see you soon.
You're welcome.
See you again.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you busy?
No?
I'm happy to see you again.
Thank you.
From the moment I saw you, from the moment I looked into your eyes, there was something about you I knew that you were once in a lifetime, a treasure near impossible to find. And I know how lucky I am to have you. I've seen rainbows that could take your breath away. The beauty of the setting sun on any given
I want to tell you something. I like you.
I like you too,
Would you come with me? son of your father's company rivalry and is planning for revenge to do you.
It's just you.
I wanna tell you that. Rose! Why are you here? I just wanna explain everything.
Leo, let him speak his lies.
Binibidyo ko, diba?
Oo.
Tapos gaganto na lang eh. Ganyan na lang eh.
Oh, sige, sige. Para kunyari higa siya.
Higa ba siya?
Exhibition.
Lumuhod ka na lang.
Planning for revenge to you.
I wanna tell you that, but...
Deep, deep, deep in the heart of your sins, I break into over you. I break into and each piece of me dies, and only you can give the breath of life. But you don't see me, you don't. Here I'm in between darkness and light, bleached and blinded by these nights, where I'm tossing and tortured till dawn by you. Visions of you, then you're gone. The shock leads the red from my face when I hear someone's taking my place. How could love be so thoughtless, so cruel, when all that I did was for you? I break into over you. I break into and each piece of me dies, and only you can give the breath of life. But you don't see me, you don't. I break into over you. I break into and each piece of me dies, but only you can give the breath of life. But you don't see me, you don't. I break into over you. I break into over you. I break into. I would break into for you. Now you see me, now you don't. Now you need me, now